Hi there guys, I'm just going to film a quick Indian club sequence that I was discussing yesterday with a member so that you can do these in your own time in the garden. You can follow along with me, okay? So we're going to include outward mills, inward mills, parallel mills and reciprocating mills, and we're going to use static changes, okay? So I'm going to go through it with you. You can follow along if you've got your clubs at home. So we're going to start up here. We're going to go inward mills, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do 5, 6 on each. 5, 6. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change. Low, high, up. 1, 6 parallel. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We leave here. Low, high. 1, 6 this way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Leave that there. 1, 2. I'm going to do 6 here. 3, 4, 5, 6. Reciprocating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Low, high. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reciprocating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and stop. Brilliant. Okay, so obviously if you've not done that much before, you're going to need to watch that a few times and practice it slowly. If you've done it with me before, I usually do it with 4 movements to each. I expanded it out to 6 today, but give it a go. Maybe take a video, just let me know how you get on, and stay safe, stay strong. Thanks guys.